I'm not. Don't. Hey, stop, bro. Stop. Hey. Relax. Get off of me. Hey. Get back. Back up. You're not gonna win. You're not gonna win, sir. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach now.
He's gonna be fine. He's gonna be fine.
On January 2nd, 2026, a Key West traffic stop escalated from an equipment violation to drug charges and resisting arrest. This analysis examines the constitutional framework governing this encounter. The initial stop was justified under Florida Statute 316.61, which prohibits windshield obstructions that materially impair vision. A shattered windshield clearly meets this threshold.
Hello, Sergeant Malsheimer with Key West Police. Well, your windshield's completely smashed, so that's an issue. It's an obstruction of your view, so. Do you have your license? And then the vehicle registration, I know it's a U-Haul, but usually it's in the glove box. Oh, there isn't one? Okay. Can you roll down that window for me? For the other officer? Is it yeah. Thank you. I'll be right back with you. I was told you guys were looking for this, and the window is completely shattered anyway, the windshield.
Congrats, love the pictures.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, how are you? What is up with this windshield? Can you roll that down? Does it roll down anymore? Thank you. So what happened to your windshield? It got bashed in? Who bashed it in? A friend? Okay.
Yeah, you got glass all up on your dash.
All right, you have did they take your driver's license? Did they ask you for it? Okay. All right, my friend, I'll be right back, okay?
Hey, boss. Hey, so it smells a little bit like marijuana. You have a medical card? What? Wait, do you have a medical card? No? All right, you want to do me a favor? Just jump out for us.
Okay. Do me a favor. Come over here. Come this way, okay? So, being that you don't have a medical marijuana card, there's some shake in the front of the car. We can search the car, okay? Do you have anything illegal on you? No? Okay. So what he's going to do is he's going to search your pockets.
I'm not consenting to a search.
Okay, but we have probable cause. You don't have.
Yeah, it's not about
That's for the vehicle, not me. I'm not consenting to a
Okay,
search.
but there was illegal items in
No, there
the vehicle?
wasn't.
Yes.
It's
Would you like me to
glass?
show it to you?
Yes.
Okay, come on right over here and I'll show you, okay? Do you see this right here?
Yeah.
That's called shake. That's illegal to have.
Marijuana?
Yes, marijuana is not legal in the
It's
state
not.
of Florida.
I said it's from the greenhouse. I explained that already.
Okay, but it's still shake.
It's from the greenhouse. It's not. It's not medical marijuana.
So it's also not in the not in the original container.
That it needs to be.
It needs to be in a container, the original container from the greenhouse, regardless of what it is.
Because he has a destroyed front windshield.
Yeah, but they said something about that like a couple weeks ago. They make this.
I wasn't there, but I don't know. I didn't even know this was the same call. I just pulled up to back up the traffic stop. That's all. That's the reason for the stop, because of the windshield. The traffic unit saw him with the windshield. Yeah. All right. You guys from Florida or Arizona? Florida. Okay, I just saw the Arizona tag.
Literally got that from that.
Oh, the one here in town? Okay. Yeah, if they rent it to you that way. Yeah, all right. Do me a favor, just stay over here. I'll let them know that that's how you guys rented it, okay? That's the other half from the 22 verbal from earlier, La Concha. Okay. He's saying that they rented it to him that way.
Okay.
We were out with this guy earlier, and he's kind of up and down.
He's saying he rented it to him that
That's
way?
what he said. He rented it here in Key West.
They were for before, and he's allegedly been told to route, but that's obviously
He said the same exact thing. So.
But that's obviously an obstruction. And without a medical card, we can't tell whether or not but it's not in a container. So that's what gives us probable cause to search the vehicle and you.
Not consenting to a search.
Well, it's not a debate. It's not a choice.
Being searched today.
So
Okay, well, at
that's
face
gonna
value, it looks like there's illegal items in the car. So, okay. All right, come back this way.
Don't go over there.
I'm not. Don't. Hey, stop, bro. Stop.
Hey, relax.
Get off of me.
Get the fuck
Get back.
back up! You're not gonna win. You're not gonna win,
I'm not
sir.
even fighting.
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach now.
He's gonna be fine. He's gonna be fine. Okay?
Y'all are detaining me, by the way. Very rough detainment.
As soon as you pull your hand away.
Okay?
Scotty! Stop! Stop!
Thank you. Not smart, sir. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Get up. Stand up.
I think y'all like are the only cops in the world. Y'all could be assholes and crooked. The law is still the law. So y'all can detain me roughly, try to scare me.
Can I talk to this officer?
Not right now. You need to go 25 feet over there.
Can I talk to an officer?
I am an officer.
No.
No,
Why?
not right now because he's detained. So I'm going to tell you one more time or you're also going in cuffs. 25 feet. Go. Thank you.
Don't talk to
25 feet.
Don't talk to me.
25 feet.
Don't talk to me like that.
Widen your stance.
I wasn't running.
Widen your stance.
I didn't even.
Widen your stance,
Let go
sir.
of this.
I wasn't running.
Let go of this.
I can have my phone.
No.
Can I give it to my friend?
Nope.
Let go. There you go. There we go. There we go.
There we go.
That's why you didn't want to stay. That's why you wanted to walk away.
I wasn't walking.
So your whole "I didn't do nothing" story,
I didn't
it
walk
just fell
away.
apart. Just stop.
Yeah.
There we go. Now the rest of the story comes out. See all that racism and BS you were talking? That's all lies. All lies.
So we're not the ones being
You
assholes.
sit upon a throne of lies.
You guys are still being rough for no reason. Microaggression.
Pennsylvania v. Mims, decided in 1977, established that officers may order drivers from vehicles during lawful traffic stops without additional justification. This authority is absolute once a valid stop occurs. The critical legal turning point came when officers detected marijuana odor and observed residue in plain view. Under the plain view doctrine, officers may seize contraband that is immediately apparent during lawful observation. Carroll versus United States from 1925 established the automobile exception to the Fourth Amendment's warrant requirement. When probable cause exists that a vehicle contains contraband, officers may search without a warrant. Florida's medical marijuana law requires possession with a valid card, and marijuana must remain in its original dispensary container. Loose residue without documentation provides no legal defense. When the subject pulled away during detention, he violated Florida Statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence. This statute criminalizes any physical opposition to lawful police duties. Graham versus Connor from 1989 governs use of force analysis. Reasonableness must be judged from the officer's perspective at that moment, not with hindsight. The controlled takedown here met this standard. The Supreme Court emphasized that officers often make split-second judgments in tense, rapidly evolving circumstances. A subject actively resisting during a drug investigation justifies immediate physical control. Citizens retain First Amendment rights to verbally criticize police, even with profanity. However, verbal objection must never escalate to physical resistance.
So, anyway,
Yeah.
we tried to explain everything to him and he got sassy. So,
Well, yeah. Plus, you're telling them where to go, and we just had a domestic with this guy, allegedly.
yeah.
And I'm like, you're not gonna walk over
No.
to this guy and then go the opposite direction.
No.
You go. Nobody else is in there, right?
No, I mean, we didn't check the back, but
It's always someone else's fault. We're gonna get in this vehicle right here. Man, you don't know what violence is, buddy. If you think that's violent, you've never experienced violence. What's that Velcro for, brother? Holding up your pants?
Mouth?
My mouth? It's actually kind of funny.
You got him. I'm gonna get Jenny.
Yeah, that's fine. Widen your stance again. You got anything up in your crotch? Alright. Listen, partner. If you got anything else on you, let me know. If you introduce it to the jail, it's gonna be another felony, okay? And they're gonna scan you.
Wait, this is a felony?
It's a felony. Alright? Go ahead and take a seat. I don't know what this is all about, was that it? Going cold.
I take it this is his other half?
Yeah, that's what Beer Guy was telling me, is that
Okay.
he's the other half of the domestic at the Casa Marina, I guess.
Well, I thought he was.
I mean, those two.
Yeah, I didn't know who this
To me.
guy was. Yeah.
Yeah, so he's the other half of driver.
Okay. Got it.
Lipstick.
Ah, good boy. That's a good boy, come on. That's a good boy.
Hidey holes here, look. Pay attention to these little details. Because this would be a perfect hidey hole for something, right? Alright, so we got some pills in here that don't belong in this bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe Xanax? This is a pain relief acetaminophen.
So are the let's see what
Well,
it's-
5525.
the blue ones?
Looks like he's eating half of them.
Got a scale.
What do we got?
Goes in the trash. Not much, but. And then.
Let's take a bait right here.
The officers receive a B+. Strong legal compliance and appropriate force response were offset by confrontational tone that could have been more professional. The subject receives a D-. While verbal objection was appropriate, physical resistance when carrying contraband demonstrated fundamental misunderstanding of legal obligations and made his situation significantly worse. The companion receives a C. Her attempt to intervene as an officer showed poor judgment, but immediate compliance with commands prevented her own arrest for obstruction. Key lessons. First, verbal objection preserves Fourth Amendment rights for court review. State clearly you do not consent to searches, but never physically resist. Second, probable cause eliminates the warrant requirement for vehicle searches. Officers need not obtain your consent once probable cause exists through odor or plain view. Third, medical marijuana laws have strict compliance requirements. Claiming dispensary origin without proper documentation and containers provides no legal protection. Fourth, physical resistance adds separate criminal charges regardless of the underlying detention's validity. Courts review legality, not streets. Your remedy is legal process, not self-help. Finally, off-duty officers from other jurisdictions have no authority to interfere with active investigations. Professional courtesy does not override jurisdictional boundaries or obstruction laws. This case demonstrates how constitutional protections balance individual liberty against legitimate law enforcement authority. Understanding this framework helps citizens assert rights while avoiding additional criminal liability. Share your analysis in the comments, subscribe for more legal breakdowns, and check out Audit the Court for courtroom follow-ups. Thank you for watching.